Okay, beautiful people, here's an update on the mint. I think this is good news. Out of all of the pieces them on my plant, one little piece caught. I'm grateful. I'm not even gonna complain because I think I was saying this there in previous vlogs, or the previous vlog rather, that me never have luck with mint. Never. It just never work out for me. I think I planted it years ago and it did catch, but it still never make it. Still did dead because me neglect it. But now I'm into, farming and stuff like that. Me know me go do a better job this time around. But I'm hoping I do a better job because me not really know too much about farming, But me I plant one and two things. Me I see what work. Me I see the mistake them when me make. Me I do my research. I ask Lucy one and two questions because he knows a lot about farming. But for now, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Going back, so just a little piece catch. Me think it catch because I mean, look, everything else dead. And then this little piece, green and nice, very sturdy, and it's been days. So me think it catch one thing. Comment in the comment section and let me know, because I mean it would have dry up with the rest of them. This one around the back, it still have some little green leaves, but me don't know, it don't look so promising. But this, I'm not gonna stay too long in the garden today because I'm going on the road to help mommy with some stuff. So I'm just walking through real quick and then I head on the road. And if I did not see so fast sweet potato grow, like every morning it just look bigger and bigger. But this is what it's looking like now. Lucy said I'm gonna go cut off the slip them for me and plant them. So that's to come in another video. This is some more leaf I push out. So pretty. And here's another update that no one asked for. But I feel proud because the last time on my show, I just them two leaf there in the middle. And them the tiny. And look, one more. See right here, sir? Anyways. And guys, we do have a cutlass, but yes. But they're telling us that we have a cutlass, but put it down right here, so. But it dull bad. So planting. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, guys. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. We have planting, guys. Whoa. Wow. My. Alright, so I'm gonna share it up. First thing first. Oh, nice. Why it look like it did even start? Anyways. Oh, good. You see, it did ready, man. It did really ready. Right, so the plantains are secured. For the people that only feel like me do housework, no, I just not show that part here. I do clean outside, I rake, I sweep, because one thing about me, I love a clean and tidy environment. I don't know, I can't be productive when the place dirty, whether inside or outside. Well, mostly inside. But yeah, I'm raking up the yard. Mind you, these are breadfruit leaves rather, and we don't have a breadfruit tree. But hey, me not complain. One breadfruit tree hang over the yard. And if one ready breadfruit they dip on it, would a quick figure pick it. So me have to clean up the mess because it's whatever. I don't have a problem. But yeah, breadfruit and soursop leaf. Good morning. So I just got back inside. When I know some wake up, fix. You know what? I'm gonna take off the this melting ban, because when a company sends me a wig or me buy one wig, them send them customized stuff like bonnet, headband and stuff like this, and this is not from Wet Kiss. Let me change it just in case you guys want to know where it's from. So hold on. Not like this is better because it's not labeled, but I got it from Wiggins. I got this wig from Wiggins. Anyways, boy, me hate the lighting, but it's have to work, guys. It have to work. I just come here to talk to you know, a little bit before I start to show and stuff like that. So I know to see the progress with the little stuff them. I have some more stuff to plant, but I don't want to plant them yet because everything I have now, them run. And the cucumber soon start run, potato run. So I want to get rid of those first, or harvest so I can harvest and then start like you know, do it properly, like make everything look neat and tidy and stuff like that. So I have pak choi, I have lettuce, Lucy give me sorrel seed. I want to plant back scallion, thyme and garlic and stuff like those, but I just can't do it yet. I want to wait until everything is, you know, bear up and stuff like that. Plus, I don't know how pumpkin run and run all over the place. So I want to wait first and make some things organized out first and whatever the case is. Just to give you guys some clarity, not everything that is in the yard I plant or planted. Like banana and plantain. No guys, I came here and saw those stuff, and one thing about my landlord, him not having a problem to harvest nothing from the yard. A matter of fact, the amount of stuff when me eat from out of the yard, pumpkin, plantain, banana, like I'm just really grateful. But other stuff I may plant them. Like, so if you're wondering if me plant the plantain when me just harvest, no, I did not. I came here, saw plantain tree, cane, banana, all of those stuff. I came here and saw them, and pumpkin as well, but I planted pumpkin for myself, so that's that. I'm not stay with it too long because the lighting, and I love the lighting. Anyways, when I'm going on the road, I'm going to bring my camera. Hopefully I remember, because I won't remember. But going on the road to help mommy sort out some stuff, get shoes to my sister. I want to see if I can get one new church shoes or sneakers, something. Just want to see if I can get something to either work in or to go to church in, because I don't know, I work with Jason by now and we do a lot of standing. I didn't eat anything. I just wake up, go out, well, wake up, fix my hair, go outside. I probably should have done that. I probably should have fixed my hair before I go outside, because I don't know I see it. But I put in curl and stuff like that. No curl, no left in there, all of them drop. I guess I should have just spray some got to be on it, got to be spray, whatever you call it. You know, so it can hold, or probably just wrap it. Like when I curl it, just wrap it, make it stay in place and then pull them up. But it's a learning process. I'm getting better and better at it. Not perfect, but little bit better. So when you hear me say, guys, I'm getting better, don't judge me, because you don't know me I come from not knowing how to do wig, nothing about wig, and I learn one and two stuff. But I just draw it on earlier because of the easiest thing, and my hair in some keno, and I love when my hair keno and having products and stuff like that. I just leave it alone, because to put gel on freshly washed hair should be a crime. Because who take up gel, put in them hair after them wash it? Enough of that, guys. I'm going to bathe and something and leave out. So in the next clip you'll see me out the house. So soon come back. Hey guys, so I'm at Yam Hill in Mandeville. I record on my phone because I leave my camera at home because I had to rush out. But we are by Yam and sweet potato with ackee and saltfish. A long time when I eat ackee and saltfish. So I'm going to show it to you guys when I get it.
If you buy wig, you're a wig head, right?
Wig egg?
Wig head.
Wig head?
Yeah, like you love wigs. So like you love buying things in your house, it's a house head.
But why it have a name?
So if you buy yam, if you buy yam, it's a yam head.
Wink, wink, wink. Woo!
Okay.
Bees, take him on.
They caught him. No.
A wasp! Jesus, a dangerous wasp.
They caught again. Let me show you.
Never see it?
Come on. He gone. You don't know the Chinese was send people to the hospital.
A Chinese, what's that?
Me.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Ackee, saltfish, yam, and sweet potato. Lord, thank you for this meal. Help us to be nourishing and filling to my body. Amen.
You just should make me eat first.
Yeah, Kayaga Drive. Thank you so much. Yeah, same to you.
Ackee season.
That's a very good question. Because people at Yam Hill always have ackee. Let me just say
Trust them
ackee.
more than KFC.
Yeah, me never eat ackee up here and it do anything to me. So I not gonna even sweat it or say anything. But that's why we must bless the food before we eat it. You know, ask God to take out any little impurities. Boss now? Because I'm a seatbelt. Yeah. So that's that, guys. Today I'm put on my wig and trust me, it's laid. Cause I do it the right way. I glue it and make it cool and whatever, but I just not take off this year. When I come out I can I go take it off. Even though I see people wear this round them head like style, I don't know look no weird to me, but I deal with it, me flat it down and you know. Or eat more size sweet potato.
Yeah. The one doctor tell me say a sweet potato no eat.
Our food tastes fresh. Me not see her name though. But it looks to me like she is number going up. She is one, two, two places. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's number 6 going up in Mandeville.
have few stuff to get done today. I need shower gel. Sorry for the bathroom. I start use one soap. I'll give you guys an update about that. One Avena soap. Let me go and show them. And I gotta help mommy get one shoes to Pookie. Because Pookie have something to come up. Oh my god. Because I did a rush me leave something. Oh boy. I did really want to get that done. But it's okay. I can't tell it. I soon tell them. Yeah. So we're gonna meet mommy now. Soon come back.
I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love you, can't stand. And I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you're only lying, 'cause only that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love you, can't stand. And I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you're really.
Alright guys, so we in Payless. Mommy I buy one shoes to my sister and well, my sisters. So them have buy two get one free or buy one and get the next one for half price. So we are making use of that.
Wear some accessories with burgundy knife. You know
Turn sideways.
neat. See black
What?
neat.
Get the 7.
You want to wear black shirt?
Guys, I'm definitely getting these. So cute. I want her.
Let me try it out.
You want to try that? You're one the upper cashier. Thank you. This is very cute.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can't stop. Had a faucet running and I keep looking at you. So good for it, looking so. You know that I want you. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been waiting around. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
Quite little. Oh Lord. Ouch. Mosquito down in like trouble. I don't know, I just realized I have on the melting bun from there and never remember to take it off. So I walk up and down with the melting bun all day. Not like I have a problem because I do that, but today me never did for do that because me ensure that there's something laid. See that? See? I'm getting so much better at this. Yes. I like it. The only thing I want this to have like, probably because of how I put on the melting bun. Well, all the ear them did set. Mosquito bite me up when me put on the melting bun. So the mirror pressed down while the mirror did brush up. It's not bad. It's not bad, guys. Tell the truth. I'm doing so much better. You see plant when I have up a yard? I did give Jason's mommy one little piece. And look on it. Look at it. And me plant this tree right here, so you know, and it's a bloom. You didn't hear what I call?
No, me hear one sound, some young me call looking for Jason.
Oh,
If I
it's pretty, man. Mommy, you see it a bloom?
me I tell you, man.
No, man.
And if you want to,
Mm-hmm.
you walk out every day, man.
Okay, beautiful people, so I've been home, but I didn't take up the camera at the same time. I wanted to make dinner, so I made dumpling, pak choy, cabbage, and corn. But I wanted to make dinner, bathe, and then just relax while me I eat my dinner and watch Greenleaf. Me not dey too far. I don't want nobody spoil it for me, you know. Don't tell me nothing because that show here very mixy. It's a whole heap of twist. Anyways, comment and let me know if you ever watch it, and on a scale of 1 to 10 how much you did enjoy it. But I'm going to eat my dinner now, close out today's vlog. Don't pay the calendar no, man, because I don't always switch it, because you know you have to go there and turn it on the date, and sometimes I just ignore it, to be honest. But that's not today's date. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me, road to 100,000 subscribers. Bye guys, see you in a